Hey guys, welcome to my home machine shop. My name's Howard. What we're doing here is these threads were smashed back here because this ball came loose. So I thought this was a good time to show how to chase a thread. So I've already chased it, but I'll take you through it and show you what I did. And it's 14 threads per inch. So after you get your machine all set up for that, you operate it like you're going to do a scratch pass, right? Except you keep your tool off the piece, and you start your carriage like you're going to make a thread, right? And then you use your compound. You stop your machine. Don't disengage your half nut. Just stop your spindle. And right where it stops, then use your compound to line your tool up to the thread as perfect as you can get it. And then back your tool off. Come back. Try another pass to see if it's still lined up. If it is, then you're good to go. Okay, so then you start it up, and you also got to find your depth. So let me just take you through it here. You start it up, got the half nut engaged, and we're just going to stop it. We're going to stop the spindle. Okay. And you can take your tool to the bottom of the thread, because I've already lined everything up like I just told you with the compound. And I've got my zero set on my cross slide to the bottom of the thread. Okay? So I'm going to get just within a couple thousandths of the very bottom. And then I'm going to start the machine back up and let it do its magic. And then when you get to the end of the thread, of course, you got to back it off and disengage your half nut, or you'll run into everything. Like that. Okay. And like I said, I've already chased this thread, and the nut will go on it, but I'm going to suggest to the guy that he doesn't use it. This was just a good way to show chasing a thread on the lathe. This before, this nut wouldn't go past about here because the thread was just all mashed down. But now it will. And I mean, it's only a $10 part, so you could probably get by with using it. Those threads probably would hold. But like I said, it's only $10. I'm going to suggest that the guy just, I don't know. If it was me, I'd get another one. But there you go. It goes on, and it wouldn't go on past right here. So, and when you're doing something like that, you want to go pretty slow RPM. Especially if you're a beginner. Oops. Okay, that's all, folks. This one's for you, Manny.